Hey guys, this is Michael, PDS Equipment. We're gonna, just had eye surgery by the way, no big deal. So we're gonna talk about how to do an air purge. So the first thing we're gonna do is from local, we're gonna go to function. We're gonna go down to maintenance. Then we're gonna scroll down until it says air purge. Then we're gonna hit enter. Now we're gonna do tank 3 or head 3. It's head 1, 2, and 3. If you're on a UCJV300, you're only going to have head 1 and 2. Everything else is going to be the same. So we're going to select the head that we want. Then we're also going to need our air purge tool, which is this guy right here. And we're going to need some WD-40. I'll show you why we need the WD-40 in just a second. So this has a magnet. We're going to put it right there. Then it says please wait moving. So when it says set tool, this is what we're going to do. We're going to go down in here and we're going to take these 4 little pieces out and we're going to set them right here. We're going to take all 4 out at once. Then we're going to take this guy and put it in our first one and give it a 1/4 turn, and that locks it in place. Now these are spring loaded, so we don't have to worry about ink coming out the other holes while we're doing this. Then we're going to come back over here. We've set the tool, so we're going to hit enter. Then it's going to say set tool completed. We're going to hit enter. Then we're going to hit enter to start our air purge. Now what we want to do is we want to let just a couple of inches of ink flow out. And it's going to take it just a minute, and any minute now we should see ink flowing out. And if you don't, yeah, there it goes. So now this is the clear, so it may be a little hard to see. So we got about 2 inches of clear, and then when I see it flowing out, I'm just going to take this off. Then I'm going to hold it up and I'm going to let that drain out. Then I'm going to go to the second one, and it's spring loaded, so as soon as I put it in, it will start the process. And there you can see I'm pushing it, got a little air bubble, and there's about 2 inches of solution. And then I'm going to hold it up, let that drain down. Now, when I go to the white, you're going to see it a lot better. So I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to turn it. And we pushed out a little air. And again, about 2 inches is what we want. So that's about 2 inches of white. And then I'm going to let this drain out. Now, the problem with the white is now we can't see what's going on in the tube, which is why we need our WD-40. So I'm going to put this little piece of hose on here. I got it. I'm going to grab my WD-40 and I'm going to just give a little squirt and hold it up and let that drain. And you can see the WD-40 drains down. It encapsulates the ink and keeps it from catching on the line. And then we're going to come back to our last one. We're going to put this in and we're going to turn it. And again, let it get about 2 inches of ink out. Then we're going to pull it out. Then we're going to put this in here. Whoops. Oops. All right. Let me act like I've done this before. So we're going to put this in here. That's all I'm doing is just squirting WD-40 in here. If you've got a straw, you can do it that way as well. And then I'm going to hold it up and let that run out. And while that's doing that, we're going to come back over here, and air purge is complete. So we hit enter, remove tool. So we're going to take this off, and then we're going to take our 4 caps and put them back on. And it's got little fingers that go in the notches. You put it in and you turn it a 1/4 turn clockwise and it locks in. Put it in, 1/4 turn clockwise, and then obviously when you took them off, you went a 1/4 turn counterclockwise. And the good thing about the different ones, if you're not sure if it's seated good, you can just look at the other heads and they should all look the same. When we do that, then we come back over here and we remove tool, hit enter. We've completed, we hit enter. And then it's gonna do its cleaning and flushing out. And while that's doing that, I want to hold this straight up and let all that solution run down in here. If you don't keep this clean, you visually can't see what's going on, and you won't know if you're getting a good air purge or not. So make sure you have some WD-40 on hand, and you clean this every time you use it. And that's how we do an air purge. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.